Hey guys, today we're going to be going over the basic concepts of electric circuits. So what I have here for you is a sample circuit diagram, which is a way to represent a circuit without getting all caught up in the details of drawing each component specifically. So over here is the representation of a battery. And the longer line stands for the positive side of the battery, while the shorter line stands for the negative side of the battery. Now, the battery provides a constant source of potential difference that we call voltage. And this really allows the battery to power the circuit. And on the right here, we have one of the most important things that you'll need to know about in a standard physics class, and this is called a resistor. So resistors pretty much do what they're named after. They resist the electric current flowing through the wire, meaning that the higher the resistance, the less current will flow through. But what exactly is current? So current is pretty much just the rate of flow of charge at a point on the circuit. Mathematically, we can represent this as current, or I, is equal to the charge over time. Or we can also say Q for charge and T for time. This means that the units will result to coulombs over seconds. And this is also equivalent to amperes or amps, which is symbolized by the capital letter A. And at the bottom here, we have a little light bulb representation. Now, all of these different components are being connected to each other by these lines, which are wires. The wires allow there to be an electric current in the circuit. If there were a breakpoint in the wires, such as if we added a switch here that was open, so this here symbolizes an open switch, then the electrons would not be able to flow from one side to the other. Now notice how I said that the electrons are the particles that are moving. Back then, scientists actually thought that positive charge carriers were the particles that moved, so by convention, current is referred to as the direction of the positive charge. So in this circuit, we would actually make arrows flowing from the positive side of the battery instead of the negative side, which is a little counterintuitive, but it's just the convention for a current. And we'll go more in depth with all of this in the future videos, so stay tuned.